everyone. Today I'll be making a slow cooker jalapeno popper and chicken soup. What all goes into the jalapeno popper and chicken soup? 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I got thighs because that has a little bit more flavor. 2 jalapenos seeded and chopped. 2 cloves garlic minced. I'm going to use the already minced stuff. 1/2 of a green pepper diced. 1/2 onion diced. 1/2 pound of bacon cooked and crumbled. I'm going to just use the microwavable stuff. 6 ounces of cream cheese. 3 cups of chicken broth. 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And 1.5 cups of Mexican style shredded cheese. And I have the Mexican cheddar jack. So let's begin. So I have my slow cooker here. And as usual, I do have my silicone liner, which I absolutely love. So my packaged chicken was 2.5 pounds. So I will be just putting in about 4 thighs. That should equal out to be about 1.5 pounds. I may do 5. Some of them are kind of small. Now I think I'll just stick with the 4. So I put 4 chicken's thighs in there. So then add your 1/2 diced onion, your 1/2 diced green pepper, and your 2 de-seeded diced jalapenos. Dump that in there. Then add your 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Add your 1/4 teaspoon paprika, your 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, your 1 teaspoon of salt, and your 1 teaspoon of cumin. And add your 3 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to just kind of give that a little mix. Put your lid back on. Turn it to low for 6 to 7 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. I'm doing low. I'll be back in 7 hours to finish this up. So after the 7 hours, shred your chicken. And this is so ready to shred. So then take your shredded chicken, put it back into the soup. Then add your cream cheese, which I called for 6 ounces. I just decided to put 8-ounce block of cheese in here. Did not say to soften it, but I did soften it because I think it will melt quicker. Then add your 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. 1.5 cups of the Mexican blend cheese. And your crumbled bacon. And just stir that until all of the cheeses are melted. Put your soup in a dish. Top it off with some bacon crumbles, some slices of jalapeno, and a dollop of sour cream. So here is the slow cooker jalapeno popper with chicken soup. Rounding out the meal is ciabatta bread. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, I can taste the bacon. Is that chicken?
There is chicken in there, yes. It is slow cooker jalapeno popper with chicken soup.
Well, I can see the peppers, so I kind of got...
Yeah, there's peppers in it too.
I got all of them covered, I think. It's good. I like it.
Not too spicy?
I haven't eaten a pepper yet, but so far, no.
recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.